The factory really wasn't paying a whole lot of attention to me, and that 1947 model one-car showroom building. It was kind of a natural thing for me to try to do, and it wasn't easy. It took me 9 months to get it done. And this was a failed Ford dealership that we're sitting in right now. They bought this piece of ground and built what was the original building here, Ankeny Ford. And they went into business, opened the doors here in May of 1982. And in November of 1982, they was out of business. There was a 2-lane blacktop going east and west, and a gravel road going north and south. And a little building across the street over there was a bar. It's called Ole's Bar. And I was like the Maytag repairman. I was the loneliest guy in town. So there wasn't much to dream about except that interstate out there. So I'm deeply invested in this community, and so my heart's here. And this community, this town, this location has done me a wonderful job. I mean, I wouldn't trade it for nothing.